Call this a snow day. Aha, yeah. Um. Okay, check. Yo, I really try my best not to mess with these dippies, cause they always got a nigga on deck. No respect. Now your nigga fuming hot, trying to flex. If he only knew all the things me and my crew done did to you is pitiful. Damn, why you doing like that? I shouldn't see a grown man boo horn like that. He'll take you back, don't even worry, boo. He's bitch made. I'm pretty sure he's used to it. Took his first love back in 6th grade. Ha! Take it as me doing you a favor. If you ain't know now, you probably wife the bitch up later. Doc, don't say that she don't need it. Trust me, baby girl can handle it. She got her own business and her pimp's the one that manages. These hoes out here be scandalous. Know what they doing? Tell you everything they want, but shit, you come out losing. Yo, they choosing for a big name. Stacks on the picky ring, big chains. Niggas doing big things, you hear me, man? But yo, chick smart, she got you falling in love. Got you thinking wedding date, dress, cake, and dove. Yo, you choosing like she got your head twisted. She got all your friends, motherfucking, you defenseless. Nah, I ain't mad, I ain't better trying to let you know the views of an ordinary nigga now. When I was nothing, yo, I couldn't get a smile. Now, I got your girl on my speed dial. Ha! That's just the way the world go. I don't buy weed no more. Your girl delivers like the journal. um, that was a sample, y'all fucked up, but we gonna get it back again, alright? We're gonna go back on it, alright? I'm gonna go back.